हेलो एवरीवन, आज मैं आपके लिए एक नया वीडियो लेकर आई हूँ जिसका टॉपिक है फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मार्केट्स एंड एक्सचेंज रेट्स। तो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सबसे पहले मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा। जैसे ही मैं नया वीडियो अपलोड करूँगी आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिल जाएगा। और प्लीज़ मेरा वीडियो एंड तक देखिएगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो बहुत अच्छा लगता है या सिर्फ अच्छा लगता है तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक एंड कमेंट ज़रूर करिएगा। तो अब चलिए मैं शुरू करती हूँ वीडियो के साथ। फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मार्केट्स एंड एक्सचेंज रेट्स। Foreign exchange, globally decentralized over-the-counter OTC market for the trading of currencies. This market determines foreign exchange rates for every currency. It includes all aspects of buying, selling, and exchanging currencies at current or determined prices. Largest market in the world, followed by the credit market, has an estimated turnover of 6.6 trillion a day. Demand and supply determine the differences in exchange rate, which in turn determine traders' profit. Forex history is described below. Ancient biblical timers, 15th century, Medici, 1993, GBP, 1973, Reuters, 1990s, Internet, 1981, Asia, 1971, Nixon, 17th and 18th century currency trading spreads, 1994, Bretton Woods record, and 4th century vital for trade. Participants in the foreign exchange market. Central bank. The central bank regulates the foreign exchange rates of the currency of the prescriptive country to ensure fluctuation within the desired limit and keep control over the money supply in the market. Commercial banks. The commercial banks are the medium of forex transactions, facilitating international trade and exchange to its customer, along with the forex functions like making foreign investment. Traditional users. The traditional users involve foreign tourist companies carrying out business operations across the globe. Patients taking treatment in other countries, hospitals, and students studying abroad. Traders and speculators. The traders and speculators are the opportunity seekers who look forward to making a profit through trading on short-term market trends. Brokers. They are considered to be financial experts who act as an intermediary between the dealers and the investors by providing the best quotations. Characteristics of foreign exchange market. Market transparency. Dollar is extensively traded currency. Most dynamic market. International network of dealers. Over-the-counter market. High liquidity. 24-hour market. Transactions in foreign exchange market. Spot market. The forex transactions which are executed immediately or usually within 2 days is known as the spot transaction. Such a forex market is termed as a spot market and the rate of exchange is called a spot rate. Futures market transaction. The market in which the exchange of currencies involved a future delivery and payment and the rate of exchange for the same is predetermined is called a future forex market. Such exchange rate is known as future rate. It protects the buyer from the risk of a rise in the value of the currency. Forward market transactions. A forward forex market is, however, very similar to the futures market, but here the terms of the contract are negotiable and can be amended by any of the parties involved. Options. Options. In an options contract, the holder is not bound to but have the right to buy or sell the specified asset quantity at the predetermined price on the specific future. Futures. In a future contract, the quantity of an asset, date of execution, and price of the contract is fixed and standardized. Swap. Usually, commercial banks adopt swap contracts if they perform forward exchange business operations. Here, they sell off a particular currency in the spot market to buy that same currency in the forward market. Arbitrage. The rigorous buying and selling of different currencies in the forex market to fetch gains out of such transactions are called arbitrage. Functions of foreign exchange market. Hedging function. The globally trading business entities can hedge the risk of currency fluctuations by adopting means like a letter of credit or forward contract. Here, the goods are to be delivered on a predetermined future date and at a mutually agreed price. Transfer function. The forex market majorly functions to exchange the currency of one country into that of other to facilitate international trade activities. Credit function. Providing the credit facility at the time of making overseas payment through foreign bill of exchange is to maturity or execution is another significant function of the foreign market. Advantages of foreign exchange market: high leverage, international trade, trading option, flexibility, hedging risk, low transaction costs, inflation control. Disadvantages of foreign exchange market: leverage risk. Leverage risk refers to the loan. In other terms, foreign market initiates the leverage up to 20 to 30 times the investment capacity of the traders or speculators, which may even lead to the loss of the entire amount of the investor. Counterparty risk. The forex is highly unregulated with no central authority for currency exchange or trading risk mitigation. Thus, it may encounter the risk of non-fulfillment of the obligation by any of the parties involved in such a contract. Operational risk. Since forex is a 24 hours market, it is difficult to manage its operations by humans. As a result, the traders and MNCs rely on the algorithms and trading desk spread respectively to safeguard their investment in their absence. Exchange rate. Now we'll discuss what do we mean by exchange rate. An exchange rate is the price of a country's currency in terms of another currency. In other words, it represents how many units of a foreign currency a consumer can buy with 1 unit of their home currency. Why does exchange rate mean? What does exchange rate mean? Exchange rate means are the ratios that are used across all international markets, including finance, trading, and investment. Businesses as investors use these rates to compare their currency purchasing power with another countries. They also use this to determine the comparative strength of the domestic currency against foreign currency. Additionally, these rates can either be floating or fixed. A floating rate occurs when the market determines the rate. A fixed rate is when a country pins their domestic currency to some widespread currency. Factors affecting exchange rate: balance of payment, interest rate level, and inflation factor. Balance of payment. When a country has a large international balance of payment deficit or trade deficit, it means that its foreign exchange earnings are less than foreign exchange expenditures, and its demand for foreign exchange exceeds its supply. So its foreign exchange rate rises and its currency depreciates. Interest rate level. Interest rate are the cost and profit of borrowing capital. When a country raises its interest rate or its domestic interest rate is higher than the foreign interest rate, it will cause capital inflow, thereby increasing the demand for domestic currency, allowing the currency to appreciate and foreign exchange depreciate. Inflation factor. The inflation rate of a country rises. The purchasing power of money declines. The paper currency depreciates internally, and then the foreign currency appreciates. If both countries have inflation, the currencies of the countries with high inflation will depreciate against those with the low inflation. The latter is relative revaluation of the former. Fiscal and monetary policy, venture capital, government market interventions, economic strength of a country. Fiscal and monetary policy. Although the influence of monetary policy on the exchange rate changes of a country's government is indirect, it is also very important. In general, the huge fiscal revenue and expenditure deficit caused by expansionary fiscal and monetary policies and inflation will devalue the domestic currency. The tightening fiscal and monetary policy will reduce fiscal expenditures, stabilizes the currency and increase the value of the domestic currency. Venture capital. If speculators expect a certain currency to appreciate, they will buy a large amount of that currency, which will cause the exchange rate of the currency to rise. Conversely, if speculators expect a certain currency to depreciate, they will sell off a large amount of the currency, resulting in speculation. The currency exchange rate immediately fell. Government market intervention. When exchange rate fluctuations in the foreign exchange market adversely affect a country's economy, trade, or the government needs to achieve certain policy goals through exchange rate with adjustments, monetary author- sorry monetary authorities can participate in currency trading, buying or selling local or foreign currencies in large quantities in the market. The foreign exchange supply and demand has caused the exchange rate to exchange. Economic strength of a country. In general, high economic growth rates are not conducive to the local currency's performance in the foreign exchange market in the short term. But in the long run, they strongly support the strong momentum of the local currency. Types of foreign exchange rates. Fixed exchange rate system. Fixed exchange rate system refers to a system in which exchange rate for a currency is fixed by the government. The basic purpose of adopting this system is to ensure stability in foreign trade and capital movements. To achieve stability, government undertakes to buy foreign currency when the exchange rate becomes weaker and sell foreign currency when the rate of exchange gets stronger. For this, government has to maintain large reserves of foreign currencies to maintain the exchange rate at the level fixed by it. Under this system, each country keeps value of its currency fixed in terms of some external standard. This external standard can be gold, silver, other precious metal, another country's currency, or even some internationally agreed unit of account. When value of domestic currency is tied to the value of other currency, it is known as pegging. When value of a currency is fixed in terms of some other currency or in terms of gold, it is known as parity value of the currency. Flexible exchange rate system. Flexible exchange rate system refers to a system in which exchange rate is determined by forces of demand and supply of different currencies in the foreign exchange market. The value of currency is allowed to fluctuate freely according to changes in demand and supply of foreign exchange. There is no official government intervention in the foreign exchange market. Flexible exchange rate is also known as floating exchange rate. The exchange rate is determined by the market, that is, through interactions of thousands of banks, firms, and other institutions seeking to buy and sell currency for the purpose of making transactions in foreign exchange. Managed floating rate system. It refers to a system in which foreign exchange rate is determined by the market forces and central bank influences the foreign exchange market through interventions in the foreign exchange market. It is a hybrid of fixed exchange rate and flexible exchange rate system. In this system, central bank intervenes in the foreign exchange market to restrict the fluctuations in the exchange rate within certain limits. The aim is to keep exchange rate close to desired target values. For this, central bank maintains reserve of foreign exchange to ensure that the exchange rate stays within the targeted value. It is also known as dirty floating. Spot rate. Spot rate is the cash rate at which immediate transaction and or settlement takes place between the buyer and seller parties. Advantages. The parties are confirmed with the rate and value of the product for which the transaction is to be made. Spot rate gives the actual movements of market. There is no speculation involved in the calculation of this rate. There is no effect from market dynamics like volatility, time value, interest rate changes, etc. Since buyer and seller both are sure about the current scenario in the market with no reason of any doubts of the future market movement. Help in market price trend analysis for the particular product. Disadvantages. Spot rate may prove to bring lesser profit to a buyer to the product in case of bearish market. Current spot rate may be higher, due to which the buyer pays more than tomorrow. Financing requires other products as well which deal with future rates and speculation. Spot rate brings exchange risk to individual, corporate and other finances, since the current rate may not be equivalent to the rate at the time of settlement. Floating rate may create the difference in the actual calculation as they fluctuate and may be different at the time of settlement. It also depends upon the market situation, which include political scenarios, war conditions, and act of God situations and other environmental activities. Forward rate. A forward rate is an interest rate applicable to financial transactions that will take place in the future. The term may also refer to the rate fixed for a future financial obligation, such as the interest rate on a loan. Advantages. They can be matched against the time period of exposure as well as for the cash size of the exposure. Forwards are tailor made and can be written for any amount and term. It offers complete hedge forwards are the over-the-counter products. The use of forward provide price protection. They are easy to understand. Disadvantages: it requires tying up capital. There are no intermediate cash flows before settlement. It is subject to default risk. Contracts may be difficult to cancel. It may be difficult to find a counterparty. Risk associated with exchange rate. Transaction exposure. The transaction exposure component of the foreign exchange rate is also referred to as short-term economic exposure. This relates to the risk attached to specific contracts in which the company has already entered that result in foreign exchange exposures. A company may have transaction exposure if it is either on the buy side or sell side of a business transaction. Any transaction that leads to an inflow or outflow of foreign currency results in a transaction exposure. For example, Company A, located in United States, has contracted for purchasing raw material from Company B, located in the United Kingdom, for the next 2 years at a product price fixed today. In this case, Company A is the foreign exchange payer and is exposed to a transaction risk from the movements in the pound rate relative to dollar. If the pound sterling depreciates, Company A has to make a smaller payment in dollar terms. But if the pound appreciates, Company A has to pay a larger amount in dollar terms, leading to foreign currency exposure. Economic exposure. Economic exposure is a long-term effect of the transaction exposure. If a firm is continuously affected by an unavoidable exposure to foreign exchange over the long term, it is said to have an economic exposure. Exposure to foreign exchange results in an impact on the market value of the company, as the risk is inherent to the company and impacts its profitability over the years. A beer manufacturer in Argentina that has its market concentration in the United States is continuously exposed to the movements in the dollar rate and is said to have an economic foreign exchange exposure. Translation exposure. Translation exposure of foreign exchange is of an accounting nature and is related to a gain or loss arising from the conversion or translation of the financial statements of a subsidiary located in another country. A company such as General Motors may sell cars in about 200 countries and manufacture those cars in as many as 50 different countries. A company with subsidiaries or operations in foreign countries is exposed to translation risk. At the end of the financial year, the company is required to report all its combined operations in the domestic currency terms, leading to a loss or its gain resulting from the movement in various foreign currency. Thanks for watching my video till the end. Please like my channel. सबसे पहले सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting updated with the notes. Thank you so much.